The reading method of oil caliper. We can observe. The oil caliper is composed of two parts, the main caliper, which is the large caliper, and the small slider. We read the reading on the big caliper first, that is, the reading to the left of the decimal point. Then we read the reading on the small slide, which is the reading on the right side of the decimal point. When reading the left side, we do not care, and then only look at the right side of the small slider row. Then he has a 0 above and a 0 below. Don't bother with the top 0. Just look at the bottom 0 line. You can see that the 0 line below corresponds to the reading of 5 on the big caliper. A small space above. Now it is 51. Some number. Then we look again. Above the small slider. Any of the lines above and any of the lines above the large caliper. Which two lines are coincident? As you can see, it's now at 4 up 1234, the fourth little space. And the two lines above the big caliper are coincident. So at this time, the reading of the small slider is the decimal point to the right of the reading is 0.4 some number. Because each small space is 0.02 millimeters. So that at this time, the reading on the right side is 0.48. If the first small cell from 4 up and the line on the large caliper is coincident with the large caliper, is 0.42. And so on. So the reading at this time is 51.48. And then we move it around a little bit. Let's read it again. As you can see now, 0 line corresponding to the large calipers above the reading is 7 up. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The sixth small cell is 76. Some number. Then we look at the small slider again. Which line on the right side and a line on the top of the large caliper is coincident? Let's see. Now you can see that it's a little space from 5 up. This line and this line. The two lines are coincident. So at this point the reading to the right of the decimal point is 0.5 something. And because she is a small space above 5 is 0.52. So this time the reading is 76.52. And so on. Okay, end of explanation.